What's up, guys? Just when you think that the lighting system on the Yamaha R7 couldn't get any better, TST Industries just gave us this $25 integrated front DRL turn signal setup, which is freaking rad. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly install this thing because honestly it's super easy, and I'm gonna show you guys what this thing looks like. It isn't out yet, but it will be out very soon, and I think you guys are really gonna dig this one. It's pretty cool how easy the installation is, guys. All we're really doing is removing this panel on each side, which is just 3 pop pins and a 4mm. So pretty dang easy thing to do. I guess we are going to splice one wire, but the kit comes with these little taps that will make it easy for us, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, pretty hard to beat how easy it is to install it. Alright, we already have one installed. Turn signal? Yes, that's so cool, guys. I don't know what you guys think. Put a comment down below. Do you guys want your DRLs to be turn signals? That's freaking rad. Let me do the other one real quick. Alright, now we just test the other side. And we're good to go. You guys have got to see these things. Now that was an easy installation, guys. I don't know what you guys think, but in my opinion, that is freaking rad. Like, not only do we have our normal turn signals that kind of hang out whatever color you want. These are blue that I've done for my bike. I'll probably change them to red soon. But having the integrated turn signal in the DRL, I think is a freaking rad idea. I am pretty much digging it. You gotta think, like, with the way the rear turn signals now work for TST, as well as the front DRLs and our side turn signals, like, the bike just looks super unique, super cool. I am totally loving it. I will put a link down below for a real installation from TST Industries, as well as the link to buy these if you're interested. Like I said, they're not out yet, but they should be out very soon. Thanks for hanging out, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye!